In today's Samurai video, we're going to be doing a little bit of bodywork and replacing this really worn down soft top. Let's jump straight into it. As you guys can tell, visibility's pretty poor on this old best top, and there's holes in it and it needs to be replaced. So we got a new one from Smitty Built, and also I started getting into this. We're not making this perfect, but I want to pop some of these dents out, and I want to hopefully be able to get this button for the soft top back out a little closer. We're not looking for perfection here by any means, but we're gonna cut this open so we could get in here to pop this out. So we're not going for perfection by any stretch of the imagination, but this is so much better, and this button I think might be usable. Where it's at now, it's still kicked down a little. I can work on that, but man, just even doing that I feel a lot better about. So we're not doing this today, but we'll cut a piece and weld and cap this off later. Also, the previous owner had attached, you can see this on the tire carrier, drilled a hole to the tailgate, and it cracked. It's cracked in a few spots, and it's kind of bowed in. So I got this 1-inch tube clamped on the top. I think I'm going to end up welding that to straighten out that top. And then I'll come back and bang this out a little bit, and then over here I was able to get this out from the inside, but I think I'll have to cut another access hole here. We'll pop these out just roughly. I'll just make things look a little bit better, and then we'll get the soft top on. So lots of holes to fill later too, but I mean, just having that is so much better. Also, there is corner armor for these, and that might be a good way to hide these dents. I don't know if I would build any or buy any. I've seen them out of diamond plate. They wrap around. Don't know. Might toy with that idea. Might make it look better, but I'm definitely happy with that. As far as the body goes now, there's pretty much just the rockers, which we're gonna just cut out completely and put sliders in. So passenger side's probably the worst for the rockers. So we'll cut that out, put some sliders in. I've done that on a Samurai before. And then passenger's door needs work right here, as well as I actually got in and popped this a little, but I think I can finesse this more, mainly right here, and hopefully work this whole seam out just a little bit more. So one step at a time, but right, well, there you have it, guys. Definitely, like I said before, so much better. I can live with this. So, yeah, I mean, I'd still like to get the door. I don't know what's holding the door back from shutting all the way. I don't know where it's hitting, but it was hitting here before, but that clears. It clears in the front. Can't wait to cut this out. This will be coming soon. But door's somewhat straight, body's somewhat straight, and here's a good visual of the tailgate. I'm gonna put that piece of tube on it. Straighten it out a bit. All right, we're still using the Yes welder, and this will be the first test of thinner stuff. Alright, so there's our tube. The S welder ran pretty good on the thin stuff. We didn't have any burn throughs. Paint was catching on fire, but that's gonna do it for the Samurai update, guys. Thank you so much for watching, as always. If you got this far in the video and you're not already subscribed, why don't you go down below, make sure you're subscribed, and leave a comment while you're there. Helps the channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. We got some decent work done. Got some dents pulled, got the new soft top on, got the tailgate reinforced. Tons of progress, still tons to go. Jeep guys, don't worry, we're gonna be back working on the Gladiator, I think next video. We'll see. Something just came in for it, so just the Samurai has so much to do. So as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.